is Massimo De Caro, and I'm going to explain the Cleft sentences. So, the Cleft sentences. We use Cleft sentences to specialize in speaking, so to connect what it is already understood to what is new to the listener. This is also called as old information and new information. In a Cleft sentence, a single message is divided. This is why it's called Cleft, because it's divided into two clauses. This allowed us to focus on the new information. And as the name indicates, it is a type of sentence divided in two clauses connected by a relative pronoun that help us to connect what is already understood to what is new to the user or to the listener. The first type of sentence is the ET cleft. ET clauses are the most common type of cleft clause. This is the one that most people use. The information that's come after is emphasized for the listener. The clause which follows the ET clause is connected using that and it. It is contained information that it is already understood. The formula on or how to prepare this sentence is by it at the beginning plus the be verb plus the subject or the object and that or who depending of the subject and the relative clause. So in the example we have it at the beginning. It was Pedro. We use who in this sentence because we have the subject as a person who cleaned my room, and then we change the sentence to it was my room that was cleaned by Pedro. Another example is it was the dog that broke the couch. It was the couch that was broke by the dog. We usually change the way to the old information and the new information. And here, it was my mom who sent the message. It was the message that was sent by my mom. Now, the WH cleft. The WH cleft sentences are the most often introduced by what. At the beginning, they also use what. But we can also use, for example, why, where, how, and others. The information in the WH clause is typically an old information or indistinct information, while the information in the following clause it is new and in focus. And the way that we can construct this sentence is with the what clause plus the be verb, and we usually emphasize the word or the phrase. So the examples of the WH sentences. As you can see, at the beginning we have the WH, what I need is a room clean. And then we change the sentence to a room clean is what I need. Here, the WH and the what is at the end of the sentence. Another sentence is what I wish is to buy a PS5. A PS5 is what I wish to buy. And then we have what I need is a new laptop. A new laptop is what I need. So then we have the all cleft sentence. This type of sentence, they constitute the same structure as the WH cleft, as I explained. But we use the word all instead of what. For example, as you can see, here at the beginning we have all. All I need is a new car. A new car is all I need. As you can see, it's the same structure, but the difference is that instead of use a WH sentence, we use the word all. All she needs is to go to the cinema. To go to the cinema is all she needs. And then we have the one thing variation. And as you can see, they constitute the same structure as the WH cleft and the all cleft. But we use the one thing instead of all. For example, here, instead of what or instead of all, we use the one thing I want is a cold drink. And the structure is the same. A cold drink is the one thing I want. We change the new information and the old information. The one thing she needs is to go to the cinema. To go to the cinema is the one thing she needs. Thank you very much.